Hello my dear lovely students, this is set number 1 2026 question paper of chemistry. So right now I have uploaded only question paper video through the PDF. In the upcoming video I'll upload solution also. Have a look at the question paper, chemistry question paper set number 1 of 2026. In this total 33 questions are asked. Section number A, section number B, section number C and section number D and E. Section number A 16 questions, then section number A contains MCQ part, section number B short answer type questions each of 2 marks, section number 3 little short answer type questions in brief of 3 marks, then section number D case based study questions, 2 questions only, and then in section number A there will be long answer questions. Let's have a look from question number 1. Question number 1 MCQ question. This question is from electrochemistry chapter. Question number 2. This question is from chemical kinetics. Question number 3 chemical kinetics. Question number 4 electronic DNA block element. Question number 5. This is from coordination compounds. Question number 6 again from coordination compound. Question number 7 from organic chemistry. Question number 8 from organic. Question number 9 from organic. Question number 10 from biomolecules. Question number 11 again from biomolecules. 12 again from organic. Then there are assertion reason question. 4 questions are given. Again 1 marks each. Question number 13 is from chemical kinetics. 14 from DNA block. 15 is from aromatic amines, Gabriel. It is from organic amine chapter. Question number 16 is from biomolecules. Then section B comes. In section B, question number 17, internal choice is given. Either you can attempt question number A or B, part A or part B. So this question is from chemical kinetics. Question number 18 from chemical kinetics. 19 from lower than that of zinc. It is from DNA block elements. Both part A and B DMF block. Question number 20 from coordination compound. 21 is from organic chemistry. Very simple IUPAC question. IUPAC is given, you have to make a structure. Then section C starts from here. Question number 22 here onwards. Each question contains 3 marks. Question number 22 is from solution 1, chapter 1 solution. Question number 23 is from electrochemistry. Question number 24 is from DNA block. 25 is from coordination. 26 is from organic chemistry chapter 1. Organic chemistry haloalkane haloarine. Question number 27 again 27 is from aldehyde ketones wala chapter. Question number 28 is from biomolecules. Internal choice is given again. This is from organic chemistry. Section D starts from here. This is case based study question. Osmosis. This is from solution chapter first. 4 questions are given. Internal choice is mentioned in B and B part. Then question number 30 again case based study question. 4 questions are given. Internal choice is mentioned. Section E, 3 questions are here. Each contains 5 marks. Now only 1 question is available. Rest I will make available in next video. So this question is from organic chemistry, propanone to propene. Mixed, I think mixed organic chemistry from mixed chapter. B part is from organic again organic. All are organic. So hope you like this video. Try to solve the question paper by your own. Next I will provide the solutions. Don't worry about it. I will provide the solution in detail so you can ace your 2027 exam. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my video and channel. Thank you so much.